Hello, Beth the Builder here, and what am I doing with all this scrap wood? Well, let me tell you. So I had this idea that I came up with to make a wooden sign with our house number on it. So I thought that'd be cool. And as I was looking at all the wood I have, I didn't have a big enough piece to do what I wanted. So as I was trying to piece things together, I was like, hold on, I have a crap load of scrap wood. And what am I doing with it? It's just sitting around. I thought, why don't I puzzle piece it all together and make this cool, like, mismatched rustic wood sign for house numbers? Isn't that a great idea? I thought so. So underneath this whole pile, I have this piece of paneling. I found it on the side of the road. I'm going to use that as a backing, just something to be able to glue pieces of wood to. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with all this scrap wood. I think it's a pretty clever idea. You could go to a store and buy something like this for probably like $50 to $100 of like, look at this rustic, reclaimed pallet wood project or whatever. I'm gonna start piecing this all together. This will be my wooden sign. And then for my numbers, I thought about buying some bigger numbers or cutting them out of wood. But then I had this idea. I have a whole roll of this galvanized metal flashing stuff. So I'm going to cut my numbers out of this metal flashing. So then it'll be a wood back with the metal numbers and it'll look like so rustic and farmhousey and just friggin' adorable. So that's my plan. I'm a little bit skeptical of the metal because obviously that's a slightly more difficult material to work with, but I'm confident that it will go well. So I'm going to start puzzle piecing this all together. I'm going to use wood glue first and foremost, and then we'll go from there if I need to use nails or screws or something else. But let's give it a go. Alrighty, so I am pretty much all done with my wood sign. I ended up putting a bunch of nails in the back with my nail gun to really secure every single piece. And then that with the glue, it seems very sturdy. But yeah, I have it all trimmed down. I sanded the heck out of it outside. So then I stained it using a dark walnut along with a pickled white color to get this really unique coloring, and I really like it. This is all done, so I need to cut my metal numbers next. I have my tin snips and gloves, so let's do it. Okay, so the metal actually cut way better than I thought it was going to with just my tin snips. I only cut myself once, so I feel pretty good about that. But yeah, it was very smooth, very easy to cut, and much thinner material than I thought it was at first. So yeah, I'm going to attach these, I think, with some little nails, because I'm not really sure what else you would use to attach metal to wood. So that's what I'm going to do. Should work out, I think. And just for the record, what you're going to see is not my actual house number, because I'm sorry, I don't actually want you to have my actual house number. So no offense, but I don't want to put that out there. So it'll be the wrong number, and then you won't see this, but I'll change it to the right number off camera. Okay, so we're almost finished here. I'm gonna get to installing my numbers, and then we'll head outside and put it on my house. But now would be a good time to like and subscribe and check out the description. You could send me some money on PayPal, check out my Etsy. Otherwise, just keep watching, because that's very, very helpful. But enough of that, let's finish this project.